Hello again, grade 10. Come on, refresh your mind and be ready for geometry. Today we'll study the Pythagorean Theorem. It's a very important geometric theorem. In the right triangle, the Pythagorean Theorem states that the sum of the squares of the length of the legs equals the square of the length of the hypotenuse. As we see in the right triangle, a square plus b square equals c square, c represents the hypotenuse, a and b are the legs. Let's have an example to apply the Pythagorean theorem. A square plus b square equals c square. As we see in this example, x is the hypotenuse, 2, 6 are the legs, so x square equals 2 square plus 6 square. Then x square equals 40. Take the square root of the two sides, so x equals the square root 40. Simplify, so x is 2 root 10. Let's have one more example. As we see in the triangle here, the hypotenuse is x plus 4. x, 12 are the legs. So we can say x plus 4 square equals x square plus 12 square. Let's expand x plus 4 power 2. So x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals x squared plus 144. Simplify, you will get 8x equals 128. Divide each sides by 8, so you will get x equals 16. Let's have an example related to the real-life application. According to the recommended safety ratio of 4:1, how high will a 30-foot ladder reach when placed against the wall? As we see in the figure here, A, B are the legs, and the ladder represents the hypotenuse. So A is 4x, which is the height, and B, the base, is x. Let's apply the Pythagorean theorem here. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So 30 squared, which is the ladder, the height of the ladder, equals x squared plus 4x to the power 2. So here we can say that 17x squared equals 900. Let's simplify, so we get x squared equals 900 divided by 17. Simplify more, so it's 7.28. Let's talk about the Pythagorean treble. A set of three non-zero whole numbers a, b, and c such that a squared plus b squared equals c squared is called a Pythagorean treble. For example, a common Pythagorean treble: 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 8, 15, 17. Let's talk now about the Pythagorean inequalities theorem. If the hypotenuse c squared is greater than the sum of a squared plus b squared the legs, so this is obtuse triangle. If it's less than, so this is acute triangle. Let's have an example for Pythagorean inequality. Tell if the meters can be the side length of a triangle. If so, classify the triangle as acute, obtuse, or right. 5, 7, 10. So first step, we take the longest side, which is 10, square it, so 10 square equals 5 square plus 7 square. So 100 equals 25 plus 49, so 100 greater than 74, which tells us that this is obtuse triangle. Time to go. Goodbye and see you next. Please stay safe.